Welcome back, guys. I'm excited to show you our recipe for today. Many people don't know that you can make your own yogurt cream cheese using your homemade yogurt, and that's going to form the base of our recipe today. If you haven't seen our videos on how to make your own cream cheese, then make sure you check them out here. For today, we're going to make a really simple and fresh dessert. It's going to be a strawberry cheesecake parfait. It's gluten-free, refined sugar-free. It looks great, it tastes great. Let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is prepare my strawberries. I'm going to chop up 2 cups worth, mix through some honey, and set that aside in a bowl just to soften up while I get my other ingredients prepared. Now I'm going to move on to the crumb element, and I'm going to start by lightly toasting some shredded coconut just to release some flavor and get a little bit of color on there. Once the coconut is toasted, you can put it back into a bowl and just set it aside to cool while you blend up your nuts. Into the blender jug, put 1/2 cup of almonds and 1/2 cup of pecans. We're then going to blend them on nut mode for around 10 seconds until they turn into a coarse meal. Pour the nut mix into a bowl, and then you can do the same with your coconut, blending it on nut mode for around 5 seconds. So you can get your coconut into that bowl as well, and then we're going to add 1/3 cup of coconut sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a pinch of salt, and then we're going to mix through 50 grams of melted butter. So now we have our strawberries, our crumb, and finally we just need to mix up our cream cheese mousse, and then we can start building our dessert. I'm gonna add my cream cheese to a mixing bowl now. The great thing about using this is that it's still packed with its probiotics from that homemade yogurt. Now I'll add 1/2 cup of double cream, or you could use cultured cream if you like, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1/3 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of finely grated lemon zest. Then mix it up with a spatula until it's nice and smooth. All 3 layers are done now, and now it's just a matter of building up our dessert. I'm gonna start with the crumbs, and then I'm gonna top it with some mousse and finally some strawberries, reserving some of the syrup to pour over the top. I'm gonna do this twice for each glass. Store your desserts in the fridge until you're ready to serve. So there you have it, a great new dessert for your next dinner party and an excellent way to use homemade yogurt. We hope you liked this recipe today, and we hope you give it a go for yourself at home. Let us know how you go in the comment section below. If you haven't already, hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes and other ways to use your appliances. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and we look forward to catching you again next time.